the Starlight Fusion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be powerless. The mercy of sir. Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior Space Rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. We'll rendezvous at Planet C. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond. Stand by. Scanners detecting more trouble in second 9.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, and legs inside your spacesuit. Ensure to store your gear and keep an eye on Attention, Space Rangers. Remain seated.
All pilots stand by.
Trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. Got to hit Zerg's forces when it counts. Z marks the spot. Stand by to disengage autopilot. You've got the stick, Space Rangers. Set course for Planet Z. Stand by to disengage autopilot. Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's. These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannon.
Too late, Space Rangers. Prepare to face the full power of my secret weapon. Miserable do-gooders, pint-sized pipsqueaks.
Space Rangers, concentrate your firepower on Zerg's secret weapon.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. You here, indestructible.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board and review your score. And remember, to infinity and beyond.
Bah, you haven't seen the last of me. I will be back.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board and review your